Sun-Kissed Squad. It is your girl, K to the motherfucking Benz, the Sun-Kissed Queen, and I'm back with another video to the Today's video is gonna be basically a 3D spider. I'm gonna be doing 2 spiders, one over my eye and one kind of coming out of my lip. So we're gonna get straight into this video. Concealer, contouring, and all that jazz. I'm now gonna get into kind of shading underneath the eye to make it more of a circle so it looks more of a like a spider shape. And there you guys have it, my finished 3D spider look for Halloween. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit that like button, type in that comment, and hit that subscribe button with the bell to know when I post. It is your girl, K to the motherfucking Benz, and I'll see you guys in my next video to the